Hi there. We're going to download the Chromecast extension. To do that, we have to get to the web store. There's a couple of ways of doing that. On a regular laptop, I'm just going to go to apps right here. And here's the web store right here. If you don't have this option, another way of getting there is you can actually just Google Chrome Store. Just do web store, something like that. And there you go. So either way will get you there. And I'm going to be searching for the extension, I want the Google Cast for Education. So Google Cast for Education. I don't have to type it all in, and now I'm going to see this one. This is the extension you're going to want to add. So you're going to click Add to Chrome, Add Extension, and there you go. So it's going to be there added. So it's going to be this green tool right here. And in my next video, we'll talk about how we're going to use the Google Cast for Education.